Guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to add files in Google Drive folder. I'm also going to show you how you can create a new folder and how you can add existing files in this new folder or existing folder. So guys, I'm going to show you in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Google Drive account. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Google Drive. So I just click on my drive and here you can see I have lots of folder and I have files also. So here you can see files like word file and I have videos file also and excel file also. So here you can see my existing folder. I can create new folder from here if I click on this folder tab and like all files. So the folder will be create like, yeah, this folder has been created. Now if I want to add this file to into this folder, so I have to select this folder files, or you can press the control key and hold it and select multiple files like this. Okay, or you can also select files like just in control and okay, by control and a you can select all folder or file also. Or if you want to select multiple files, you can also select multiple files like dragging like this. Okay, so I just hold the control key and select two files, and you can just drag it like this. Just hold, click and hold it, and you can drag like this and just navigate to on the folder, and two file will be moved to this folder. If I click on open this folder, you can see two file here, or there is another way. Okay, so I show you to add more two files. So here I select two files, just holding the control button, and I select two files here and click right click on your mouse, or you can click on here. Okay, and click on move to, and here you have to find out the folder where you want to you know move it. So you can create new folder from here also. So I just find out a folder. Okay, so I think folder was all files. Now just click on it and just move here. So you can see that another two file has been moved into this file. If I open it, you can see four file has been moved here. That is how you can move the files into folder in Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.